Today, I'm taking on the challenge of saving money while still having a blast. Can I really do it without sacrificing fun? The idea that saving money means giving up all the fun stuff in life is pretty common. I mean, think about it. When you hear someone talking about saving money, it's often followed by suggestions like cut back on dining out, cancel your gym membership, and forget about those weekend getaways. It sounds like you have to choose between being financially stable and enjoying life. But does it really have to be that way? Can't we find a balance between saving for the future and living in the moment? I think we can, and I'm excited to explore some strategies that might just make that possible. Let's face it, a lot of people believe that saving money requires giving up enjoyable activities or experiences. I've had friends who say, I'm on a tight budget, so I have to skip concerts and festivals this year. Or, I'm trying to save for a house, so no more dining out for me. It seems like fun is the first thing to go when you're trying to cut costs. However, what if I told you that there are ways to enjoy life without breaking the bank? What if you could still attend events, try new restaurants, and explore your city without blowing your budget? It might take a little creativity and planning, but I believe it's definitely possible. So, how can we save money without giving up fun? One strategy is to budget for entertainment. Instead of cutting it out completely, set aside a specific amount each month for fun activities. This way, you can still enjoy yourself without worrying about overspending. Another approach is to find free local events. Many cities offer free outdoor concerts, museum days, or community festivals. These events are not only fun, but also budget-friendly. You can also use discounts or rewards programs to save money on things like dining out or movie tickets. Using cashback apps, sign up for rewards programs, and look for coupons or promo codes online. These small savings can add up over time, allowing you to enjoy your favorite activities while still saving money. I'd like to share a story about a friend who managed to balance saving money with enjoying life. She was determined to save for a big trip, but she didn't want to give up her weekly dinners with friends. So she started using a cashback app for dining out and looked for happy hour deals. She also began exploring free local events like outdoor movie screenings and hiking trails. Her strategy worked, and she ended up saving enough for her trip while still enjoying her social life. The key takeaway here is that it's all about being intentional with your money and finding ways to make it work for you. To sum it up, saving money doesn't have to mean sacrificing fun. By budgeting for entertainment, finding free local events, and using discounts or rewards programs, you can enjoy life while being financially savvy. If you've got a favorited money-saving tip or a go-to budget-friendly activity, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on budgeting for entertainment, be sure to check out my next video on affordable ways to have fun in the city.